What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Julie of Julie's Plans. Honestly, I did not even know that this package was arriving today, and I went and checked my email and it said your MakseLife package has arrived. What? Oh my god. So my MakseLife quarterly companion notebooks and the stickers have arrived and I want to share them with you. Alright, so at launch time, Sierra of MakseLife announced that there were going to be these amazing quarterly companion notebooks in case you were in love with another planning system but wanted to somehow incorporate what comes in the MakseLife planner as far as goal setting and the compass assessment. You can now use it separately in addition to another system that you are using, which is awesome. So these quarterly companion notebooks retail for $48, and you can also purchase the date stickers for $8. And I'm going to open up everything for you so that you can take a closer look at it. So first up, you get the goal setting quarterly companion books. There are 4 goal setting quarterly notebooks, and each notebook contains 3 months of undated calendars, monthly and weekly goal setting pages, and the signature quarterly assessment. So I'm just going to slide that right off. Now, the very first book that you get is going to be the goal setting steps and instructions. What I love here, and I hope that you guys can see it on my camera, is that the pages are perforated. So if you want to take these out and add it to another system of yours, you can absolutely do that. So this first book has a letter from Sierra also explaining the meaning of Moxie, a little bit about each step in the compass assessment, which I also love, so it really breaks it down for you as far as what the compass assessment is, setting your intentions, your annual goals, your monthly goals, and your monthly reflections and your quarterly review. So a lot of this is going to be very similar to what comes in the MakseLife planner, but again, you can use this with whatever system is working for you. So right here it has the life compass, then your assessment scoring, and again, not to go too deep into this because I've already reviewed the MakseLife itself, so these books are literally like a repeat of what comes in the MakseLife planner without the planning pages. So you have your assessment scoring, your goal setting, your intentions for the year, you're setting your goals by writing them down, the 3 types of goals. I love this. This is something that I learned just in recent years because I was constantly setting very big goals. Like I was setting stretch goals, but not maintenance and progress goals, and I was kind of setting myself up for failure. So it's kind of nice to have these guides there for you. Then it breaks it down even further. So you have how to set your annual goals, your monthly goals, how to really break things down, all the way down to your weekly actions. This is one of the parts that I absolutely love, and I kind of used it in my weekly reflections each week. You can ask yourself these questions: what were my wins, what worked, what didn't work, what lessons did I learn, and so on. Another thing that I like is the areas, things to consider in the different areas of life when writing out your goals, and you have this really awesome key to have with you in your planner. Then they give you a nice little idea to just kind of map out your ideas, your dreams, and your goals, and a place to write down all of your annual goals. Again, I just love that the pages are all perforated, and I do believe that Sierra said that the paper is the same weight of paper that comes in the MakseLife, so you're absolutely getting the same quality that you would get in the MakseLife in the companion notebooks. And then of course this book ends with some goal setting quick tips. So what I like about the 4 books already from the jump is that you're not really told where to start. You can decide you want to start in the blue book if you want, or you can start in the gray book, the green, or the teal. This is kind of my favorite. They're all so freaking beautiful. This one says just begin. They're all embossed with something different. Dare to dream, good things are coming, and hold on to your vision. So let's start with the first quarterly book. So you're going to open it up. Again, these pages are also perforated, so you can take them out and use them in any system that you like and just kind of add them in as you choose. I've already seen some folks punching these and adding them in their disc bound system, which is really nice. Again, it's undated, but you can either write in the dates yourself or use the stickers that are provided over at MakseLife, and I will be sure to leave links down below for all of the items that I am mentioning. So there's your month view. Then you have an area to write out your monthly goals, a dot grid section just like you would have in the MakseLife planner, along with an area to write out your weekly action steps. I love that it also gives you an area to write what week it is. And then you have another weekly actions, dot grid page, weekly actions again, because you're not going to have your weeks in here. So normally right after this weekly action would be your week view, followed by a reflections page and a weekly actions page. So at the end of that, you're going to have your monthly reflections, and this is where you get to reflect on those questions that we talked about earlier. So your biggest wins, things that are currently working, things that are not working, what you learned, what improvements or adjustments you need to make, what you're most grateful for, and what habits you want to nurture for next month. And then you have an area where you can rate your month on a scale of 1 to 10 for overall satisfaction. And then I love that you get another dot grid page to kind of just add some notes. And I would honestly add some notes, some pictures, just all of the amazing things that you were able to accomplish in the month. And then it just goes right into the next undated month. And again, the coordinating stickers are going to be absolutely perfect. It even comes with the month, the days, some additional dots, and some page flags. So the book essentially just repeats the same way, your dot grid weekly actions, dot grid weekly actions, and so on. And it really does lay flat. The binding is a nice lay flat binding for you. It's not very bulky if you really just wanted to have this one book for the quarter along with whatever planner you're using. This is pretty like low maintenance as far as having it come with you with another planner. It's not really going to get in the way. So let's flip all the way to the back. You do have some additional dot grid pages back here. So once you get to the end of the quarter, you're going to do your quarterly compass. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything out. So you'll get to your quarterly compass. You'll get to rate or put down your previous compass assessment along with your current scores, and then answer some of the questions that go with it. And then you're going to get several dot grid pages at the end, which is great for note taking, just in case you need those there. And then when you get to the back, you have a nice little pocket back there, and of course it is made to perfectly fit the stickers back there. That's just perfect. They've really thought of everything. And then there is the back of the book with the MakseLife branding. And so, of course, the rest of the books are going to be exactly the same. I really like overall what they did, like just in the few minutes that I've had a chance to look at these, because like I said, these just came in the mail. I love that they've really thought of a way to really allow everyone to use this system by making it easy to take apart from the book. You're not having to do anything major to get these things out of here if you wanted to add them into another book, or you can leave them as is, and they did a great job on the binding by making it lay flat, which I think is just awesome. Now let's take a closer look at the coordinating stickers. Again, not totally needed, but super cute, so therefore totally needed. So each month has its own color. Wow, these are stunning. So you have January that has the beautiful navy, February is that teal color, March is green, and so on. May is yellow and not peach, so thank you very much, Sierra. I had absolutely nothing to do with that, but I'm very, very thankful. So here are the months of April, May, and June. Then you have July, August, and September, along with November, October, and December. And they are matte, which I personally prefer over very glossy stickers. So that's a lot in the set of stickers that you get there, and you do get the whole year. So you'll buy the companion notebooks. Like I said, those are $48, and then you're going to get the stickers, and you've got an entire goal setting system that allows you to use whatever planning system you want, just in case the MakseLife planner does not work for you. Another way that you can possibly use the MakseLife and this is if you want to do some sort of specific goal setting. You could always, focus on business goals in one book and fitness goals in another, things like that. The possibilities are endless, and they've really let you get creative with this system. And like with any system, use it in whatever way it works best for you. Now, in case you're curious about some other specifications, these books are A5 size, so they are 5.83 by 8.27 inches, and each notebook does contain 60 pages. And it is on, like I said earlier, the same paper that they use in the MakseLife planner, so it is the thick 120 GSM recycled bright white paper. And the ink that they do use in MakseLife is soy-based, just in case you're curious about that as well. I think the color and the pigmentation on everything is absolutely beautiful. And I know that it is kind of hard to tell in my viewfinder, but this back pocket is laminated, so it's definitely made to last. And another thing that I really love is the texture on these books. And it might be a little bit hard to pick up, but it's like a linen texture, and you can kind of see it right there. I might try a darker color so that you can see it a little bit better. But there is some texture to this part of the book. And it just feels very, very durable and just really, really nice. It's not made cheaply. I don't really know how else to say it, but there is definitely quality in these books. All right, so that is everything for my sort of unboxing and review of the MakseLife companion notebooks and the stickers. I absolutely think that the value is there simply because I love the goal setting system set up by Sierra over at MakseLife. I think it's very simple and straight to the point and not very complicated, which makes it even better, especially for someone like me who needs a goal setting system like that. I absolutely love that they offer it separate from the planner itself, just in case you have a planning system that you already love, but you want to use the MakseLife goal setting system. If you guys have any questions about any of these items, please feel free to ask down below in the comments. As I said earlier, I'll be sure to leave links for these items down below in the description box. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, you guys, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.